Welcome to our course on Front-End Development Basics, where we explore the essential skills for building web interfaces. Our focus today is on understanding how to construct the user-facing part of any website or web application. We will now delve into the fundamental pillars of front-end development, which are crucial for any web project. These three core technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, form the complete foundation of web creation. First, we have HTML5, which is the foundational language for structuring web content. HTML5 defines the overall framework and organization of a web page, much like a building skeleton. Next, we look at CSS3, which is responsible for the visual presentation and layout of web elements. CSS3 allows us to style the web, controlling colors, fonts, spacing, and overall aesthetics. Finally, JavaScript is the programming language that brings dynamic behavior to your web pages. JavaScript adds interactivity, enabling features like animations, form validations, and real-time updates for users. Let us begin by exploring the key features that make HTML5 such a powerful and modern web standard. It introduces many modern elements and APIs that significantly enhance the structure and functionality of web pages. First, HTML5 introduced semantic elements, which provide more meaningful structure to your web documents. These elements greatly improve the document structure and overall readability, making your code easier to understand. Common examples include the header, footer, article, and section tags, each defining specific content areas. Next, HTML5 brought significant enhancements to web forms, making data input more robust. This includes new input types for email, date, and color, which simplify user input and data collection. These new types also enhance user input experiences and provide built-in validation for better data quality. HTML5 also revolutionized multimedia support, integrating audio and video directly into the browser. Now, you can embed audio and video content directly into your web pages without needing third-party plugins. This offers a much more seamless and consistent media experience for users across different devices. Finally, the Canvas API is another powerful feature for creating dynamic graphics and animations. The Canvas API allows you to draw complex graphics and animations directly on the web page using JavaScript. This enables the creation of highly dynamic and interactive visual content like games or data visualizations. Let's move on to CSS3 styling, which is crucial for creating visually appealing web pages. CSS3 introduces advanced techniques that allow for sophisticated and flexible visual presentation on the web. First, CSS selectors are fundamental for applying styles precisely to your HTML elements. They allow you to target and style specific HTML elements based on various criteria very efficiently. You can apply styles using element names, IDs, or classes, providing fine-grained control over your design. Next, Flexbox Layout is a powerful one-dimensional layout system for arranging items in a container. It greatly simplifies the creation of one-dimensional layouts, making content alignment much easier to manage. Flexbox helps align items and distribute space efficiently within a single row or column of a container. For more complex designs, CSS Grid Layout provides a robust two-dimensional system for web pages. This powerful system allows you to manage both rows and columns simultaneously, creating intricate layouts. It helps you manage content in rows and columns effectively, providing precise control over your page structure. CSS3 also enables smooth transitions and animations, adding dynamic visual flair to your elements. These features allow you to add smooth visual effects, such as fading or sliding, to elements over time. They significantly enhance the user experience by making interactions more engaging and visually appealing. Finally, media queries are essential for creating responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes. They allow your designs to be responsive, ensuring that your web pages look great on any device. You can apply specific styles for various devices, from small smartphones to large desktop monitors. Now, let's delve into the fundamental concepts of JavaScript, which brings interactivity to web pages. JavaScript is crucial for building interactive and dynamic web experiences that engage users effectively. Variables are containers for storing data. essential for managing information within your JavaScript code. You can declare variables using let, const, or var, each with different scoping and mutability rules. Functions are blocks of reusable code designed to perform a specific task, promoting code organization. They encapsulate reusable code blocks, allowing you to execute tasks multiple times without rewriting the code. Events are actions that occur in the browser, such as user interactions, to which JavaScript can respond. You can write code to respond to user interactions, like clicks or key presses, making your pages interactive. DOM. Manipulation allows you to dynamically change the content and style of your web page. With JavaScript, you can modify HTML and CSS elements, updating your page in real time. ES6 Plus features introduced modern syntax improvements, making JavaScript more powerful and concise. These modern features include arrow functions, template litters, and other enhancements for cleaner code. Next, let's discuss the essence of responsive design, a critical aspect of modern web development. Responsive design focuses on adapting web content seamlessly across diverse devices and screen sizes. A core principle is seamless adjustment, where the web page automatically reconfigures itself for any display. This means your web page will gracefully adjust its layout and content to fit various screen sizes. Ultimately, responsive design leads to an improved user experience and enhanced accessibility for everyone. It ensures that users have an optimal viewing experience, regardless of their chosen device. Layout adaptation is key, involving changes to fonts, images, and navigation for different contexts. Fonts, images, and navigation elements are all optimized to adapt and display correctly on any screen. Utilizing frameworks for responsive design offers significant benefits, streamlining the development process. This approach reduces development time and ensures a consistent, high-quality user experience across all platforms. Let's examine the key features of Bootstrap, a popular framework for rapid responsive design. Bootstrap enables rapid responsive design by providing pre-built components and a robust grid system. Bootstrap's grid system is a fundamental feature, organizing content into a flexible 12-column layout. This 12-column layout allows for highly flexible and adaptable designs that scale across devices. It ensures consistent responsiveness, making your web pages look good on desktops, tablets, and phones. Bootstrap uses responsive breakpoints, which are predefined screen sizes for various device categories. These breakpoints include extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, catering to diverse displays. You can easily target specific device categories, applying different styles based on the screen width. Responsive utilities are classes that allow you to control element visibility based on screen size. These classes provide the ability to show or hide specific elements, optimizing content for each device. This adapts element visibility, ensuring only relevant content appears on smaller or larger screens. Bootstrap also offers many pre-built components, saving development time and ensuring consistent design. Examples include navigation bars, buttons, and modals, all designed with responsive behavior built in. These components are ready to use and automatically adjust their appearance to fit different screen dimensions. Next, let's explore the key features of Tailwind CSS, a utility-first framework for styling. Tailwind CSS takes a utility-first approach, offering granular control over every aspect of your styling. Its core strength lies in utility classes, which are low-level classes for direct and precise styling. These classes allow you to apply specific CSS properties directly to HTML elements. For instance, P-4 directly applies padding of one rem to an element. Tailwind CSS also provides responsive utilities using breakpoints to apply screen size specific styles. These breakpoints allow you to define different styles that automatically adjust based on the screen width. Common examples include small, medium, large, and extra large for targeting various device sizes. Tailwind CSS fully supports Flexbox and Grid, making it easy to create complex, responsive layouts. You can easily create dynamic and responsive layouts by applying Flexbox and Grid classes directly. These layout classes simplify the process of arranging elements, adapting to different screen dimensions. A major advantage of Tailwind CSS is its extensive customizability to match your brand's unique identity. You can configure almost every aspect of the framework, ensuring your design system is perfectly aligned. This gives you full control over your design system, allowing for highly unique and tailored interfaces. Now, let's compare Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS to help you choose the right framework. Understanding their differences is crucial for selecting the optimal CSS framework for your specific project. We will compare these frameworks based on several key features, helping you make an informed decision. First, let's consider the core philosophy behind each framework and how they approach styling. Next, we'll look at the ease of use, particularly concerning initial setup and component integration. Then, we'll examine the level of customization each framework offers for tailoring designs. We will also compare their typical file sizes, which can impact loading performance significantly. Lastly, understanding the learning curve for each framework will help you estimate development time. Now, let's look at how Bootstrap addresses each of these features in its design. Bootstrap's philosophy centers on providing pre-designed components and a robust layout system for efficiency. It offers a faster setup process thanks to its extensive collection of ready-to-use components. While convenient, Bootstrap can sometimes offer limited customization options for unique design needs. Bootstrap typically results in a relatively larger file size due to its comprehensive set of built-in components. For beginners, Bootstrap generally has an easier learning curve due to its component-based structure. Let's now consider how Tailwind CSS compares across these same features. Tailwind CSS employs a utility-first approach, providing low-level classes for granular styling control. This framework requires more customization initially, as you build designs from smaller utility classes. Tailwind CSS is highly customizable through its configuration file, offering complete design system control. It generally results in a smaller file size because you only include the CSS utilities you actually use. Tailwind CSS has a steeper learning curve initially due to its utility-first design paradigm. We will now explore ES6 Plus features for asynchronous JavaScript, enabling cleaner and more efficient code. These modern syntax additions streamline asynchronous operations, making your code more readable and manageable. Arrow functions provide a much shorter and more concise syntax for defining functions in JavaScript. They also inherit the this value from their enclosing context, simplifying scope management. Here is an example code snippet illustrating how to define and use a simple arrow function. Promises are crucial for handling asynchronous operations, helping to manage callbacks effectively. They make it easier to avoid what is known as callback hell, improving code readability. This code demonstrates creating a promise to simulate fetching data and handling its success or failure. Async/await offers a more readable and cleaner way to manage asynchronous operations than promises. It allows you to write asynchronous code that appears synchronous, making complex flows easier to understand. This example shows how to use async and await keywords to fetch data from an API in a clear manner. To summarize our discussion, let's review the key takeaways from front-end development basics. These are the essential concepts and tools we've covered that form the foundation of web interfaces. HTML, L5 structures, web content, efficiently using semantic elements, and built-in multimedia support. CSS3 styles web pages beautifully with powerful selectors, flexbox, grid, and engaging animations. JavaScript adds interactivity using variables, functions, events, and dynamic DOM manipulation. Responsive design is crucial for ensuring websites seamlessly adapt across all devices, enhancing user experience. Bootstrap provides quick, responsive layouts and a rich collection of pre-built components for faster development. Tailwind CSS offers a utility-first styling approach for highly customized and unique web designs. ES6 Plus features like arrow functions, promises, and async/await streamline asynchronous JavaScript. DOM manipulation and event handling are fundamental for creating dynamic and interactive web applications.